What's up? Welcome to the Crypto Galaxy. What up? What up? Welcome, everybody. Gonna talk about today why is this our last chance to accumulate cryptos before the next bull run. The same patterns are playing out again right now for the next bull run, just like we had a Bitcoin top in the late 2025. I believe we're gonna have, yet another new Bitcoin all-time high of like $2, $3, maybe $400,000 in 2027. So the next few months are going to be absolutely critical and crucial to buy the best altcoins to actually make 100x and a lot of money. So I'm going to go over the Bitcoin chart here pretty shortly and actually prove why this is the last chance to accumulate. Got some big news to share too with Facebook, and Meta has acquired Maltbook, and Maltbook is the coin representing the Malt coin that did 100x. So yeah, apparently Meta is getting into the AI agent / crypto space too now. I mean, it's not an official crypto thing, but there's a lot of semi-official, crypto relevancies with this. So yeah, the bull run's going to be getting back up on track any day now. Later, I'm going to go over the crypto bubbles. The top performers are some of the high new top tech vibe coded AI coins like Siren, Kite, and PiCoin. I think these could be some big bangers for the bull run. Maybe do like some 40x's in like a year from today. Welcome everybody. Welcome. Oh yeah. Number 4. Congrats. 789. What cryptos are you invested in? Great question. I'm going to cover those today. I'm going to go over my best investments and actually some investments I'm going to be shuffling over into new investments. Is XPL a good buy? Maybe it is. I'll have to, check it out later today. Thanks for sharing the coin. I'm going to go over my, the things I want to cover, and then I'll get into XPL and other actually like good investments. Paranormal, hi everybody. Hello, welcome Paranormal. Michael Phillips, the thumbs up. Yes, hit the like button, everybody, please. Thank you very much. And let's go over the two biggest things today. That is that Bitcoin is now playing out the same pattern as the last bull run of 2021. Same double top, massive crash, flash crash, and then back on the consolidation before starting the new bull run. So here, Bitcoin had a little minor rejection at $65,000 first top. Same as 2021, had a double top at $60,000. Bitcoin's new first double top was $105,000. Then Bitcoin had a second top, the massive actual top at $130,000, which is the equivalent of 2021's new all-time high top at $69,000, which is the same thing here. And after 2021, it kind of went down, had a fake repump. Bitcoin as well, this time around went down, had a fake repump at $95,000 in 2021 and went all the way back down again to $18,000. And that's what's happening now, is that we're going down the falling knife to what I believe is going to be this range here at around $55,000 to $60,000. And then after that happened in 2021, Bitcoin finally caught a floor above the previous top of $20,000. So if that happens again, we're going to be right around the previous tops of $55,000 to $70,000. And consolidate in this range, which is going to be the Goldilocks golden zone accumulation pocket. And that's why I'm saying this is the last chance to accumulate cryptos, starting like right now over the next, let me count, June 2022 to October 2023. So there's about 12 months of accumulation at the bottom. So I think starting right now until, let's say, March or April 2027 will be the accumulation zone, which will be this zone right here. It's going to be the accumulation zone of just Bitcoin, ETH, Solana, and all the best altcoins, which I'm going to go over later in the stream today. What's actually going to be the next best altcoins for the easiest, safest 40x? And then after Bitcoin finishes consolidating, after it starts pumping a little bit, ETH will start pumping a little bit, Solana will start pumping a little bit. Everyone goes, oh, wow, crypto's great again. Everything's so bullish. And then it starts pumping. Momentum is back, and then everything goes whoop straight back up. It's just like another bull run. And so if we just trace the previous all-time high tops, the next crypto Bitcoin top projected to be about, I guess, really not that much, maybe $170,000. But that's fine. Bitcoin doesn't actually have to do a lot. It just needs to do some kind of movement to actually get some money pumped into the altcoins like Ethereum, Solana, and I don't know, Pepe, and some other altcoins I want to discuss later today, because, obviously the money's not in Bitcoin. I mean, who's going to make a lot of money on a freaking 2x, right? Bitcoin's going to do a 3x next bull run. Like, this is some pretty shit returns. Even Ethereum, I think, is only going to do like a 3 to 4x. but you know, altcoins are going to do 40, 50x, 60x, and if not more. So yeah, with Meta getting into, you know, not getting into crypto, but with AI agents and Altcoin and AI coins in general doing really well, I think AI is going to be the hottest narrative for this next super cycle for altcoins. And it's just great that crypto is so forgiving. It has moments where it's like, oh no, this sucks a lot. And there's moments like where, oh wow, this is great. Everything's going up again. So, you know, it doesn't matter if you make mistakes or, you know, you missed the top or you bought the top, whatever. There's always going to be another chance on the horizon to recorrect the mistakes and have a second chance at crypto, because the crypto gods, all hail crypto gods, are very forgiving, because crypto is just so new that it's like anyone can just jump into crypto and in the long term do well. So stay dry, go green, number 2. Well, you're not number 2, but welcome to the stream. I think you're number like 5. Caspa or Monad, which one is the best? Long term, Caspa's a safer pick to say the best, but like Monad has a lot more hype potential left in it because it's pretty new and it's an EVM layer 1 with big backing. So they have smart contracts and they could be like a Solana competitor. So I think if you're trying to like get a high risk, high reward play, it's Monad. If you just want a safe, boring mover, then stick with Caspa. As Jed, suggest 5 coins, CG good sir. Yes, I will. I'll suggest 5 coins and actually more. As Jed says, can I sell my Caspa to virtuals and Pepe? You can. You can do that. I don't know. I'm not really like buying coins now because based on the previous patterns of the Bitcoin bull runs, which I know this is messy. Here, let me just like change the color here. I don't know. Pink. That's even worse. Like right here, this is going to be about like 6 to 12 months of accumulation. Or maybe less. I don't know. Maybe like 3 to 12 months. So the best time to buy is going to be, you know, there's going to be plenty of time to buy. It's not like, oh wow, I need to go like swap everything now to the next best coin. Do I need to sell Caspa now? I probably will swap out some Caspa later. It's not that Caspa won't pump. It will pump, but it's not going to pump as much as some new stuff that's a lot more like newer and higher hype potential. Because usually big caps that go into their first bull run do better, which I think is maybe a reason to say Pepe is not that good. But Pepe is such a iconic piece of the internet that it's very technologically agnostic. It's not like it needs tech. It's just a meme coin. So yeah, it's a good meme for the internet. I think Pepe is going to stay in my bags. I think Caspa will stay in my bags for the long term as well. It's not going to be a substantial amount. I'm going to diversify my Caspa out a little bit to other coins. Speaking of other coins, it's going to be new layer 1s. I'm going to get into AI infrastructure coins, AI agent coins, and meme coins. That's probably my top 4 narrative plays. I'm going to keep an eye on the privacy narrative because I know that kind of had a hot streak late in the end of the bull run with Bitcoin. I don't know. I think that was just a one-off situation with the Winklevoss twins who just went, oh, wow, AI's taking over the world. Time to buy the anti-AI coin, which is smart. But I think it was kind of just fake hype. I don't know if I don't think people hate AI, though. You know, I don't understand what do we need an anti-AI coin for. So yeah, I'm gonna go over my next best layer 1 and meme coin picks and AI picks. Before I get to those, let me get to some of these new coins. 789 says XPL. Let me see XPL. This does actually touch into the narrative that I like to see. It's a layer 1, which has a lot of potential because people will build an entire ecosystem on it. But yeah, I don't know, man. Redefining how money moves, stablecoin infrastructure sounds extremely boring. I think stablecoin payments with AI agents and what Coinbase is doing with X402 is probably the most relevant in this niche and situation. But this is just extremely bland and boring. Like, it's going to be a good part of the infrastructure of the internet. But the best coins that do like fucking 40x, 50x out of nowhere, it's going to have a lot of hype, marketing, trending potential where everyone goes, oh, wow, I have to buy this now so I don't miss it. And usually those are coins that go viral on the internet, either because A, it's a platform where everybody starts trading on it, like Solana, what's happening right now with Solana, even like, you know, with Base Chain, Ethereum Chain, BNB Chain, you know, that adds a lot of value to the coins. Even centralized exchange coins have a lot of inherent utility, use, and value. But like, I don't know, if this is just infrastructure, it's like, what do you need to buy that plasma coin for? It's not exactly the most wowie exciting thing. I mean, it's strong infrastructure, it's useful, but if I'm trying to like look at this from a cryptos investors perspective to try to make a 40x on a big cap, I'm just looking here. Okay, it's a big cap, major VC funding, maybe some token unlocks coming through. The good news is that it is a new coin, right? It came out in September 2025, and new coins always have the best momentum going into new bull runs. It's fine, right? I mean, charts pretty cooked right now. It's not that that's bad. It's 94%. As long as a coin goes down less than 95%, I would say it still has like life left to it. But it is kind of like on thin ice right now, and it is really pushing it. I mean, what's the token unlocks? Team got 25%, investors 25%, ecosystem incentives 40%, ICO 10%. Damn, the whole supply went to the insiders. That's just kind of trash. I mean, good tech, good infrastructure, but really bad tokenomics, and I just don't feel like it has that hype and FOMO potential. You know, Monad though for sure does though, because when Monad first came out, all of the pump fund Solana day trader degens you see on Twitch started trading on Monad. Now, obviously, it was just a short-term hype when it first came out because they're capitalizing on the Coinbase listing hype, the normie news. It got a lot of volume on day one. Actually, a lot of websites for trading Monad crashed on that day due to how hyped it was. But yeah, it's looking a lot better, right? Only down 55% from the all-time highs in a market like this is a really strong sign. Compare that to like, you know, negative 95%, right? Now you say, oh wait, I think a lot of people say, oh wait, well, negative 95% means it can go pump a lot, right? Back to the all-time highs. But the problem is that if people get so burned on a crypto that where it dumps 95%, somebody is down 95% right now. Like some big investors, where they're like, fuck it, I hate this crypto now. They start selling and nobody talks good about it anymore. And it kind of indicates that the people who had the most of the supply at the beginning started selling and offloading all their bags to the public world. Like, here you go, take my coins. I don't give a shit about the project anymore. Here you go. But at least with Monad, it's kind of showing currently diamond hands not dumping their bags in this horrible economy of a crypto market as it is right now. But let's see the token schedule. 4% treasury, 20% private sale, team advisors, 27%, blah, blah, blah. Pretty bad tokenomics, of course, like always, but the people in the VCs that back this are actually pretty relevant in the crypto space and a little bit more crypto-ish. You know, it needs to be people from Coinbase, Binance, people from Vitalik Buterin circle, Elon Musk circle, even the Trump family circle. Not that the Trump family's been the best for crypto, but it's at least better than nothing. And then asking about virtuals and Pepe. So virtuals is certainly a good-ish play for now. If there's no strong competitor that comes out to do better than virtuals, I will definitely buy virtuals for the next bull run. I think virtuals can easily fly past the all-time highs of $4.4, maybe hit $20, $25, $30, or $40 because virtuals is the OG AI agent launchpad. Now, when it first came out, the AI agent launchpad, it wasn't like true AI agents. It was just like fake agents, but now it's turning into real agents. The team is still active. They tried to make a Solana version of the launchpad in recent months due to the recent hype with AI agents. It didn't work out well, so I think they're going to stay in their lane and just do base chain, but that's fine because the base chain is getting a lot of push from Coinbase, and Coinbase is the number 3 biggest holder in Bitcoin in the world and the number 1 largest exchange in the world. Well, I guess it's kind of debated between Binance, but Coinbase is, you know, fucking massive. Virtuals is only down 86% from the all-time highs. That's pretty good. You know, below 90% is very good, but if I see a 9, that's just like, oh no, the dreaded number. This is just fucking ridiculous, but it depends, man. I mean, there's new AI stuff coming out right now. Like, look at Moltbook. Moltbook's not an AI coin, but a coin was made after Moltbook, which got bought by Meta. Moltcoin hit 120 million market cap out of nowhere from 1 million, so it went 120x. Even Siren right now is the top performer on the whole crypto market. In the top 100, it's up 20% on the week. It's up 384% on the month. It's an AI agent, and AI agents are getting spawned out of the Virtuals Protocol AI agent launchpad. Not that Siren's part of it, but the next Siren could come out of it because the current biggest AI agent on Virtuals is Ribita by Virtuals, 160 million market cap. Compare that to the Virtuals market cap, 460 million. So it's about a third of the size, which is pretty big. Good chart, good volume, consolidated, hanging in there. Only negative 63% from the top. A decent amount of exchange listings. And so if Virtuals maintains its rank as being the number 1 base chain AI agent launchpad, which AI agents obviously is going to be big this bull run because look at what Meta's doing. Meta bought Moltbook. Moltbook is just an AI vibe-coded website in a weekend where only AI agents can communicate on the platform. It's a Reddit for agents. And you can read, if you read and watch these, only agents are talking on here, which it's a large world of uselessness, but it's going to be turning into a large world of usefulness. Where imagine a real world Reddit where it's actually where the agents are actually capable of doing stuff like trading or buying stuff, or managing your emails or booking a flight for you. I don't know. They could do coding for you. Pretty soon, AI agents will become kind of self-aware and running 24/7, doing work for people. And so if they communicate in a internet forum like this that's based on the brains that people coded into the agents, it could be getting very interesting. Imagine if you could code your own agent. You take your brain, put it in the agent, and say, here you go on Reddit, go code stuff, go make stuff, go trade stuff exactly as I would do. Well, now you can just go make 20 versions of yourself and just put them on the internet. Who knows? Maybe I'm an AI bot talking right now. I'm an agent. I'm not real. So is virtual the next best thing? Maybe, maybe not. Potential's there. I'm going to watch it over the next few months. The amount of upside it could have is massive. I mean, if it hits the current market cap of Solana, virtuals would do 106x and hit $74. If it hits the Solana all-time high, it'll do a 291x and hit $204. Highly unlikely. More likely is the current Solana market cap, which even that is not that big. The crypto-wide market cap of all cryptos is, just barely 2.3 trillion. Solana's market cap is 49 billion. All-time high market cap was about 100 billion. When is alt season starting? No later than 12 months from today. I would say somewhere between 2 to 12 months. I know it's a really wide range, and it's going to be probably a repeat of the last bull run, where the last alt seasons we had were really sporadic, right? Like, even though Bitcoin kept pumping all the way to $137,000 or whatever, even with all these pumps, the altcoins were actually doing complete shit. They were not doing anything despite Bitcoin moving. So I don't think Bitcoin is going to be a huge indication of the alt season, although it will help. The next alt season is going to come from the pumping of Solana. As if Solana only hits $250 over like in a month, that's going to be an alt season. Because Solana, when it hit $250 from $130, that was an alt season. Solana went from $117 to $250 again. That was another alt season. Even Ethereum in the past few years has had many, many alt seasons for us. I mean, the last pump of Ethereum to $4,500 from the bottom at $1,500, that was a massive alt season for microcaps that ran 40x, 50x. I mean, Ethereum could very well pump from $2,000 to $5,000 in a month, and that's going to be another mini alt season. So alt season is an extremely broad definition that doesn't really encapsulate or explain things properly. There's a lot of nuance to it. So I would say, if all turns out well, the next alt season will probably happen in like 2 to 3 months with Ethereum. If it starts pumping, because Ethereum's still currently on the uptrend and it could move again. If Ethereum pumps again to $4,000 or $5,000, it's going to send a lot of the ETH and base chain microcaps pumping 50x. Now, if Solana does it and not Ethereum, then okay, well, now coins like Pippin and Solana meme coins are going to pump 50x overnight. Now, if you're talking alt season about like just big cap alts, like just generic alts, like, I don't know, XPL or Near Protocol or I don't know. I mean, yeah, that's going to be highly dependent on Bitcoin. It's stuff that's like non-niched. If you could hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and follow the Twitch. Let's get those numbers up. Got 21 people watching and probably not 21 likes on the stream. So go hit the like button up, and I'll sip my water. Support the stream. The more likes, the faster the bull run comes. Brian says, hey, bro, can you please check out this coin Grass? It's an AI coin. Thank you. So grateful for all you do for this community. Oh, wow. Thanks, man. Appreciate it. Glad you like the stream. And let me go take a look-see at this Grass coin. I guess Grass is a nice name. Maybe. Bad chart? What the fuck? 87 mil market cap. Got some exchanges. It's down 90%. That's fine. What does this do, though? We'll see. Does it have technology? Get rewarded for the internet you don't use? Yeah, I don't know. It sounds fun, but this is no. Yeah, I'm sorry, man. I've seen a lot of these quirky projects. It's just bad chart, teams dumping. Cool idea, useless. It's just not really relevant to anything today. Crash turns your unused internet into rewards. How are they doing that? I mean, where's the money has to come from somewhere. Money has to come from somewhere, which comes from attention, viral trends on the internet, big news from big influencers, big updates from the government, big updates from massive world leaders, big institutions throwing money into places. I don't really see the whole world getting behind this. Like, yes, grass is the next 1000x. Turn my non-used internet into money. Yes. Sorry, man, Brad. I'm not trying to roast your coin or nothing. I'm just not exactly feeling it. You know, I don't know. I don't feel a tingle in my loins for this one. It's also pretty old, man. It's been out since November 2024. Not even moving. It's just dumping a lot. You did find some good things, though. 87 mil market cap is an extremely good price market cap range to buy a coin, right? Because, like, to make a lot of X's, to hit, I don't know, 10 billion market cap divided by 87 million, that's 114x. So if somebody really needed to make $100,000, they would only have to invest $877. So that's kind of like the name of the game, right? Just throw in a little bit of money, maybe make a massive amount and a big payout. But yeah, good market cap, just not like the right coin, you know? I think a good new coin will probably be something that came out right around the Bitcoin tops. And the Bitcoin tops was September, October 2025. Like Monad, for example. I'm keeping an eye on Monad. Monad came out, you know, it's 234 million market cap. Really good low market cap range. And highly successful coins that ran 40x, 50x in the last bull run, they hit 1, 5, 10 billion market cap, 20 billion market cap. And so next bull run, if they can do that again from 230 million market cap, right? Like if Monad is the next best thing, which it could be, divided by 234 million market cap, it's a 42x, which could very well be a good play. And the timing's right because it's new, it's fresh, it's in people's memory, it's still active, it's only down 55%. And, you know, it's got potential. I think it is still a useless EVM, but being useless is not bad. The main thing is that it needs big backers and people getting behind it. It needs to be trending. Yeah, what's up? Slap a like button. Yes, thank you very much. Hit the like. Let's get those likes up. We're at, how many likes are we on the stream? Come on, guys. Don't disappoint me. Damn, we're only at 11 likes. What? That's half the people. Wow. If you're becoming an AI agent, you will be my biggest bag. Okay. Yeah, invest in the CG agent. Hey, pretty soon I'll make an agent that will go trade cryptos for me and run my YouTube live streams. That would be hilarious. Yeah, it's pretty big news, man. Meta getting a Moltbook. I don't know why this is not more talked about because this is just proof in pudding, if that's a word, in the making of AI agent coins to be the next best thing. It did cause a little pump on Moltbook, right? Like, not a lot. It kind of rugged, but then it kind of came back because of Meta. So it pumped from 2 million market cap to 12 million and ran 6x overnight with Meta buying Moltbook. Why do they even buy it? Probably just because, like, why not? Yeah, big companies are going to start doing this really soon. They're just going to start acquiring and buying things like AI agents, AI agent launchpads, AI agent infrastructure, AI agent social networks. This is where crypto is heading in 2026, 27. It's AI agents and shit. So now it's not to say I'm going to invest all my money into AI agent coins for the next bull run. I'm going to get a nice diversity of AI agent launch pads, AI agent coins themselves, like Siren. Plus, I'm going to get meme coins because meme coins are AI proof. It's all about where the attention and the focus is going to be going. Yeah, Pippin coin, meme coin moving pretty well, 34%. Siren, 385%. That's an AI agent. Kite, AI infrastructure. Oh, wow, it's sub 72%. Kite coin is, first AI payment blockchain. Probably not the first, but at least it's doing something useful. Foundational infrastructure empowering autonomous agents to operate and transact with identity payment governance verification. So, like, I know you guys share a lot of coins where it's like, oh, what about this? What about that? I think a lot of them are just missing narratives, which you could say, oh, well, the narrative could come later. But why would the narrative come later? I mean, we're getting to a point in technology now where AI can just code and make and replicate anything. So, like, we're kind of moving into super advanced technological stages now. Like, tech nowadays, the bar has been raised so high that it has to be, blowing people out of the water to be good, or it has to be an agent that's doing things automatically that's useful, or just be a meme coin that's fun and interesting. Let's see what this is. Morpho coin, 69% up on the month. 794 million market cap. Connect to a universal lending network, global liquidity, open infrastructure. I mean, it sounds kind of useful. I don't know if this is the best, but oh, this looks so cool. Man, I could just like stare at this all day. Hey, Walt, Elsa is a new AI coin on Coinbase. It's getting attention? What? All right, I need to look at this now. Take my money. No, just kidding. Hey, Elsa, is this it? 16 million market cap, pretty new, listed on Coinbase. Been out for just a couple of months. Not too bad. This looks like a McDonald's worker. But let's see. Your AI crypto co-pilot. Wow, that's bullish. Elsa helps you discover opportunities, execute trades, manage your portfolio. That's pretty good. It's not going to be like huge, but it's definitely going to be good. Like this could be a good AI agent. I don't see this as like a multi-billion-dollar infrastructure, but this is definitely like a Siren type play. If this runs to, hold on, let me save this because this is actually a good coin. Yeah, thanks, Walt. I actually like this coin. Good find. Oh wow, nice. Yeah, this is really good. What makes it different? Smart portfolio building. Okay, sure. Yeah, I'd have to try it out to see if it actually works. I don't know. I think people are not really going to trust this to be like, yeah, I want you to run my money for me in trading. But like, if they can at least have some sort of customizations where you can actually make it work for you and make money, then yeah, this could be really good. So as long as it's as long as it's not generic, it could be good. Even if it is generic, who cares? I mean, just having hype is plenty nowadays. So this could be the next Siren. Siren hit 350 million market cap. Siren's still going straight up. And Elsa's at 16 million. So 350 million divided by 16 million. It could do a 21x run in the short term. So this could actually be a good investment regardless of the market, because the only things moving right now without the bull run is AI agents and AI. I mean, that's it. I don't know. There's nothing else really moving. How far down did this dump from the top? 82%. That's good. Not too much. Coinbase, Binance Alpha, Bybit, Gate, KuCoin, Mexi, HDX. A lot of exchanges, just 2 months old. Good sweet spot. I wonder if the team is doxed. Who is the team? The team is nowhere. Oh, here it is on Twitter. I'm gonna follow them. New listings, new sponsors. Yeah, not much about the team, but that's fine. I think I think it's good enough. There's not much going on, like this is probably a good play for the next few months. Why don't you reduce your VIT price? I guess I could. I know the market's pretty tough right now, so we'll see. Maybe I will, maybe I won't. We'll see. You know what I tell people? The best option to do, honestly, is just the year membership, because you save a lot of money on that, right? Like if you go, oh no, 179 too much. Well, yeah, 179 times 12, that's $2,148. But if you just do the year, $999, that's about 55% off. So I recommend people just do the year, because even if it's slow right now, it's going to pay off for a good discount later when the bull one's like actually running. And even still, I still have plays that I might just go buy in the short term. Like last play was Clausy, ran from a 3K to 50K market cap. And some people made 10, 12X on it. This chart's not exactly the whole chart. Yes, I'll sign my soul away. Okay, where's the chart? Here we go. Yeah, last Discord buy alert. Clausy ran from 3K market cap to the top for a 15X to 53K market cap. Not too bad. So let's see, 999. So if the year VIP membership is 999 divided by 15X, that means somebody could have paid off the year with $66. Yes, I agree. 50% discount for longtime customers for a month at least. Okay, sure. Yeah, next stream or pretty soon, I'll release some discount codes. I still recommend the yearly VIP membership. I mean, it is that in itself is a savings of 50 to 55% off, even 60%. And I think to any crypto investor who has like a $5,000-$10,000 portfolio, spending $999 is a no-brainer. When I started in crypto, I was paying for paid groups. When I first started as an investor, I only had a $10,000 crypto portfolio, and I ran it up to $400,000 in 2021, 6 years ago. And I was joining groups. I was collecting as much information as I could. I was trading my way up. I was investing in long-term bags. I was doing everything. Now, if you have a small crypto portfolio, like you got, I don't know, let's say $2,000, $3,000 in crypto, then I can understand maybe it is a little bit of expensive and difficult. But yeah, for anyone with $5,000, $10,000 in crypto, I mean, only 10% of that to go into a year membership. I mean, to me, that's pretty cheap, man. I don't know. I spend more than that on other shit. Awesome. Yes, I agree. I'll get the year membership. Cool, man. Cool. Yeah, that's great. Yeah, I remember one time I spent $1,000 on a steak dinner, right? Like me and my friend, we just go out, get steak, got some Wagyu filet mignons, got some tomahawks, got some drinks, and ran it up to $1,000. It's like, who cares, man? Enjoy life. I think hesitating causes problems. It just even I do that too sometimes, but I've stopped doing that. Just stop hesitating. If I think I got to do something, I just do it. I don't question it. I don't go, maybe I should do it. Just try it. Like a lot of times, you just got to fail your way into success. I don't know. You buy something, you hate it, and then you hate it. Now you know what the next thing is to do that you actually do like. Like I've had to buy and trade a lot of cryptos just to get to where I've made it today in crypto. Like I've had a lot of bad cryptos I bought and sold. And that's because I don't think about it and sit all day going, I wonder if I can have a perfect analysis to make the best coin play ever. It never works that way. You have to go through a lot of shit coins and bad trades and plays in order for one of them to work. And even I think for some people, you have to go through a bad bull run to have a good bull run. Like I don't think everyone's going to have a great first bull run. Depends on your level of experience, depends on your mentality, where you started, how you started, your starting capital. It's different for everybody, but there's absolutely no way or no reason anybody should ever fail this upcoming bull run. Now that you're hearing me speak now and seeing everything being played out, I mean, there's absolutely no reason to fail in the 2027 bull run. I mean, it's the same pattern playing out like what happened in 2021. Literally textbook. Look at this same double top, consolidation, fake pump, fake floor. And I think Bitcoin will be starting to consolidate right around $55,000 to $60,000. It's the same thing. Hold on, let me extend it a little bit more. So we might actually go down to like 50. No, we're not going to go that low. Hold on, yeah, right there. Wait, a little less. Yeah, just like that. Perfect. So Bitcoin could drop to $45,000 if the same thing happens again. And even if it does, that's fine, because over the next 6 to 8 months will be the last chance to accumulate cryptos at this drop zone, and it's going to be a tight window for a Goldilocks accumulation zone, like just the golden pocket. Everything's low, everything's cheap, and getting ready. Now that's just for easy mode. Even before the next bull run comes back, there probably will be mini alt seasons and mini bull runs with Ethereum pumping, because Ethereum's all-time chart it's still getting ready to rip. All-time chart's going up. Never hit an all-time high yet since 2021. Still on the uptrend, holding in pretty well, sitting at $2,000. If ETH ran to $5,000, it would only take 2 months to do that. So it's not going to require a Bitcoin bull run to do that, because ETH chart is not really correlated to Bitcoin that much anymore, which I think is very bullish for crypto investors who don't want to sit around waiting 12 months for something to pump. TD says, Privx VT coin on Coinbase. Well, let's have a look at this. I don't see it on Coinbase. PRX VT. No, that's not there. Is it on Dex Screener? Oh, it's not on Coinbase. PRX VT. Is this it? What the fuck? This is dumping? That chart's not good. What does it do? Privacy revolution? Wow, privacy infrastructure for agents? Well, I do question the privacy narrative. I don't know if it's that good, but it could be good. This is a strong watchlist coin. X402, nice. That's good. Wow, yeah, this could be good. Damn, what market cap is this? 570K market cap? Oh, this is an AI agent listening from virtuals. Is that true? Virtuals protocol. Let's see. Open lab. And what's it going to appear? Damn, this site's so buggy. What the hell? Hurry up. PRVXT. Is it not here? I mean, it says prices in virtuals, so this has to be a virtuals launchpad coin, all right? Maybe I'll just put the contract in. Apparently not. Huh. Well, it's not on Coinbase. Where's this listed? What's up, ADM? Hi, CG. What are your thoughts on ENA? Roll with the ponchos. Just subscribed. Welcome to the YouTube channel. Welcome. Happy to have you on board, and look forward to going through the next bull run with you, man. Welcome. Let's take a look at ENA coin. Hold on. I need to go save that coin to my watch list. PRXVT. I know it's dumped a lot, so that's weird, but the idea and the concept is certainly there. It was 3 mil market cap. Okay, so it's not down too much. I'm gonna save this to my list. Let's look at ENA. Damn, this shit's old, man. I don't know. That's not good. Big market cap too. That's also not good. Is there anything good about it? How's the all-time high? Damn, down 93%. That's also not good. Sorry, is there anything good about this? Digital dollars for the internet economy. Earn with USDE, but why? I mean, isn't every part of the economy digital already? What's the point of this coin? What? Holy Grail internet money. Yeah, but everything's already internet money. Like, right? What do we need this for? CG, along with Monad, XPL also looks like a good layer one to accumulate. Peter Nail invested in it. Yeah, I covered XPL earlier. It's just, it is a layer one with big backers, I guess. Peter, wait, is Peter? No, not Peter Neal. I was thinking of Peter Thiel. Who's Peter Neal? Do you mean Peter Thiel? Because this is one of the Bitcoin inventors, right? Yeah, he made Bitcoin. But you said Peter Neal. Is that someone else? YouTube deleted my comments? Probably not. I don't have any. I don't think there's any moderators. It's just me, and I've not deleted any comments. But YouTube is always on some bullshit. They probably like hated something that you said, and maybe like the YouTube just did it themselves. I don't know, but it's not me. I'm not deleting comments. XPL, I guess could be good. I don't know. Can you tell me, is Peter Thiel behind it? Because that would be really bullish if he was. Otherwise, I think it's a pretty mediocre coin. Like the infrastructure is not exactly the hottest thing, right? Stable coin payments and infrastructure. I don't know if that's the most exciting thing. Oh, here's a scammer. Yeah, don't click the scam links. No. Yeah, don't go there. Is this a porn site? Man, can we get these porn bots out of here? Get them out. Get the fuck out of here. Suggest some AI coins. Okay. Suggest some AI coins. I'm suggesting Siren coin. I don't know if it's the best price right now, right? It's just pumped. It's 48 cents, but who knows? It could run a little bit more to like 500 million market cap for 20%. I think in the midterm, in the next few months, it could even do more, like hit $1 billion or $2 billion market cap. I don't know. It's the right idea. So Siren's decent potential. The other one is someone shared Elsa coin. It's not really moving, so I guess it's bottomed out. You can't really lose much on it, but maybe worth watching. And then the other one, PRXVT, looks like it could be good too. What happened to your moderators? Oh, this is my new YouTube channel. My other one got kaputted, so I have to go remod everybody. This is my third YouTube channel. What is it? Stable? There's a coin just called Stable. Nice chart. It's new. Kind of a big market cap though. Stablecoin payment rail. Sure. Global standard for payments. Why is everybody making stablecoin payment infrastructures? Like, I think this is overhyped. This is really, really being overdone, man. I don't know. Like, people, yeah, crypto is not exactly the next like payment currency. You know what I mean? Fiat's probably better, which is weird to say from my perspective, but that's fine. Right? I'm a crypto person. Why would I say that? Well, it just is. Fiat's integrated everywhere. Like, what's the point of using crypto? The government won't allow it. What are your thoughts on Moodang? On Robinhood and CB's? Yeah, it's on a lot of the exchanges, but I don't know. It's kind of an old meme coin. It had a good run, but it seems pretty died out right now. And it's heavily dependent on like a random hippo. I don't expect much from it, but you do make a good point. It's on Robinhood, so it's not completely cooked. I just think there's better options that are going to be out there later, like new meme coins. So, yeah, all right. Hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the follow on Twitch. Welcome, Roll with the Poncho to the YouTube. Thanks for subbing. I guess with the fact that Coinbase is working on X402 so much, I don't know, maybe stablecoin payment infrastructure could be good. Like Plasma and Stable. Open source internet native protocol enables websites and agents to make instant automated per request payments using stablecoins. Well, like, yeah, why would people make why would anybody try to compete with Coinbase? I mean, that's just impossible. Just let Coinbase take it. They want it. They're richer than you, smarter than you, faster than you, better than you. I'm not trying to like be a downer on these people, but they have the right idea. I think you need a lot more of a specifically niched product if people are going to jump into crypto and infrastructure. You can't try to copy Coinbase like this, man. You can't. Nobody can beat Coinbase. See, sir, what is the best coin to buy this correction time? Good question. What's the best coin to buy on the correction? Yeah, good question. I don't know. We're thinking, I don't know, maybe Virtuals, maybe Tau, maybe Caspa, maybe Monad, maybe something else. It's hard to say. I'm not really like rushing to FOMO buy anything because I would say none of the big caps are really going to move a lot. I don't think for another like 6 months. But I think in the next 2 months, microcaps could move fast, right, with Ethereum and Solana. So I'm not exactly rushing to buy any like big caps right now, if that's what you're referring to. Oh, Peter Thiel. Okay, that's actually pretty bullish then. Peter Thiel is invested in XPL. Oh, okay, okay. I mean, yeah, if they want to get Peter Thiel behind it, that could be good. XPL Plasma Peter Thiel. Peter Thiel backed Plasma quietly debuts. Oh, wow. That could be good. He's like, guys, buy the coin. I'm serious. Look at him. He's like, this is the future of crypto. Wow, promising. Oh, come on, man. Don't promise 10%. Blockchain startup by billionaire. Jesus. Just launched what could fundamentally disrupt traditional banking. I mean, yeah, if the government allows it, it could be good. It's going to be a really huge uphill battle. Good work, though. I just hope they're not going to be direct competition to Coinbase export. Robin Rocks, subscribe. Welcome to the channel, man. Thanks for the sub. Welcome to the YouTube. Mr. Robin Rocks, sir. Welcome. The app provides free and instant stablecoin transfers between users while Armband is designed to give quick new virtual card in minute. Ooh, dude, stablecoin back like digital Visa cards. That would be super bullish. It's in Dubai. Okay, nice, nice. No, this is good now. This is good. This is not shit. Plasma. Well, the chart's a little cooked though. And it is down 93%. So I don't know, Peter Thiel, what's going on here, man? Did you just abandon your project or what? But it's worth watching. If it has a slow uptrend accumulation, maybe I'll buy into it. Because given the fact that Coinbase has set the trend with X4 payments and stablecoins, I guess if people can niche down and I don't know, it sounds like Peter Thiel's really big into this now. Or he quit. I don't know. It's worth keeping an eye on, especially if they could just talk more about like AI agents and automation into the stablecoin payment infrastructure, then that would be better, because that's what X402 talks about all the time with, you know, running agents to handle payments. Unibase seems like a good 402 coin. Oh, okay, let's see. Unibase. Oh, looks cool. 78 million market cap. Nice chart. Wow, looks great. Actually, damn. Not dumped. Pretty fresh off the press. First decentralized memory layer for agents. Yo, that's so important. High performance designs and challenges of long-term memory storage and cross-platform. Oh, dude. Wow. Well, how are they going to do it? Hold on. Explore. Let me explore this. I need to see, because they're making a big claim here. This is not an easy thing to solve. What the hell am I looking at here? What the fuck? What are these coins? Where do you tell me how this works? Build? What is Unibase? Okay, Unibase high performance decentralized AI memory, duh. But how and why and where? Who, what, where, why, how, and when? Problem solved. Yeah, but how do you solve the problems? Because I don't believe you. Live on BNB chain, SDKs. Integrated with ELISA OS and virtuals and MCP? I know you guys don't know much about tech, but like these are pretty big names in the AI universe. That's actually good. Unibase, SCA, BitAgent, Trading Flow. Damn. Yeah, no, this is good, man. I'm gonna keep an eye on this. This is actually like a sleeper. Perks VT by Virtuals. Oh, it's on CoinGecko. Okay, let's see. Perks VT on CoinGecko. Here it is. It's been out since November 2025. Okay, that's pretty good. Kind of went up, kind of dumped, kind of went up again, consolidated. Cool, nice. Well, there's just no exchanges though, you know? I don't know. Like I look at something else like Elsa or Unibase. This has a ton of exchange listings. KuCoin, Mexi, BingX, Gate. Binance Alpha. Market cap's pretty low. $78 million. I don't know, man. If this could run to like, 2 billion market cap divided by 78 million market cap, that could do 25x. So if it hits 8 billion market cap, that's 100x. Lily says, Dubai is cooked. People will be leaving there in droves. Oh, shit. Yeah, that's right. They're getting bombed now, right? Yeah, whatever. There's a lot of shit going on over there. Glad I don't live there. I was thinking about moving there. Glad I didn't. I was almost going to go there. Like, oh, wow, Dubai, great for crypto taxes, huh? But on the other hand, you got to get shot at by missiles and be in the middle of a war. Yeah, people will be fleeing Dubai pretty soon. But, good find here, TDK. Thank you. TDK with the pure XVT. That's a good find. And roll with the Ponchos. Thanks for the find on Unibase. That's good, man. So we have some front runner cookers here. Honestly, I think Unibase is the best next low cap right now, right? Like it's either Siren. Like the best low caps now is either Siren, which let's face it, we kind of missed the pump. So the next best one is either going to be Elsa, Pure XVT, or Unibase. Elsa could be good. It's an AI agent. Why not? 16 million market cap. Why not just buy some of all of them, I guess? Pure XVT. Pure XVT worries me because they have no exchange listings. Like, if I want to buy Pure XVT, I don't know. I think Ribita's a safer pick. But, does Elsa have exchange listings? Oh, yeah, it does. Oh, shit, it's on Coinbase. That's right. So, yeah, Elsa and Unibase are actually two really high potential low caps right now that either one could do like 50x in the short term. Hey, Paul, CG, when is the Cortex Vortex? Brother, you asked this last stream. You're going to ask the same thing every stream. Help. I'm a bot. When Cortex Vortex, CG? I am a Cortex Vortex bot. Only buy Cortex coins. Oh, hail Matt Fury. No, I don't blame you, dude. I love Matt Fury too and Cortex Vortex, but it's just not trending right now. It's not hot, but it will be hot later. So that's why you're asking when. The when's going to be equivalent to when Ethereum pumps, and that could be in a month. It could be in a couple weeks. We'll see. Idiom says, do you think old layer ones like Aptos, Sui, Say Virtuals can make a comeback? I'm planning to load a huge Virtuals bag, but Aptos and Say it looks like a great generational discount. Oh, great question. Yeah, no, I think some of them are kind of like dying for good. I don't see much potential anymore in Aptos, Sui, and Say. Virtuals though is hitting a good stroke of luck right now because they're actually in a relevant narrative with AI agents. I mean, it's perfect for Virtuals. Like they fell into a large puddle of luck by the will of the crypto gods. But yes, Aptos, and Say are not exactly relevant to anything right now. Of course, great discounts. I mean, everything's a great discount if you put it that way. I mean, what's not a great discount? Like 99% of the market went down. What is Aptos again? I know Sui and Say are just generic layer ones. Yeah, Aptos. Damn, this shit's 3 years old. Yeah, hell no. I would not touch this ever. I mean, there's a reason it's dumping. Anytime something's dumping, there's always a reason why. Say is also not looking good. Damn, 94% down. Why did they dump it so much if it was so good? They should have held on to it. Even Sui's down. Sui's a little bit better though. I think Sui still got some steam left in the tank, maybe. I don't know. It just seems like a useless layer one with an oversaturated large market cap. $3.7 billion market cap. I mean, you can make a 2x, I guess. Ask Jad. See, Pepe chart, sir. Which is good time to buy? Oh. We'll see. Yeah, it's still going down right now, so I wouldn't buy it now. But I think the dump is going to be finished dumping pretty soon. And then if and when Ethereum pumps, this will be pumping again. So, I would say not to buy now, right? Like just wait a little bit. It is still dumping, but it'll be cooled off pretty soon, maybe in like a month. So we'll see. I think anything under $1 billion market cap, if it does dump below that, would be a great time to accumulate. Or even 1.5 billion could be good too, but I just think the timing's not right now. It takes a lot for big cap meme coins to move. And there's not a lot going on for them to be moving right now. Are BSC AI meme coins good? I don't know. I don't really follow BSC chain as much, but let me go take a look at the trending BSC chain. Trending BSC is, let's see, hold on. AI, okay, for more AI, okay. Dogs, I don't know, what is this stuff? It's a lot of AI shit. Yeah, no, it seems like AI is the trend of the BSC chain. I guess it could be fine. I mean, what are their market caps? 1 million, 100K, 6 million, 600K, 5 million. Are these real? Or, I don't know, these could be like scams. I don't know if these are legit. It's hard to say. I don't know. Where are you looking? Do you look at like GMGN or do you look at Dex Screener? I've been pretty out of tune with BSC chain. They could be good though. Let me see. GMGN will probably have non-scams in the trends. Let me go to the BSC chain. What's moving here? Okay, here we go. Okay, distorted, in street, AI, Asian stuff, Kimai. Wow, all-time high, 426K market cap. The others hit 200K market cap, 1 million, 200K. Lobster. Yeah, no, this is very hot right now. Lobster, Claw, AI stuff, definitely a good trend for BSC chain. Yeah, confirmed. Daily revenue on Say, Sweet, and Aptos is a few $100 at the best. Oh my God, just roasted. Holy shit. What a roast. Suggest Coinstar to make multiple X's. What? I don't know. I mean, right now, the best coin looked like Unibase and Elsa. I mean, this is in a good narrative, man. Good age. Yeah, no, this looks, I mean, yeah, the only, like, the fastest multiple X's, I don't know. If we had to force something, it would be this, Unibase or Elsa. Suggest some good coins. He's like, come on, bro. Suggest good shit. I come to watch. I need 100 X's today and tomorrow. Thank you very much. I need to make money now. I don't blame you. That's what we're here for. But no, that's cool, man. I'm just not going to force it, you know. The market ain't moving that much, right? It's pretty risky to buy stuff nowadays. Unless there's just some massive alpha that comes out of nowhere. So, yeah. All right. Smash the likes. Hit the subs. Hit the follow. Check out the Discord. Everyone says, when discount now. During the year for $999. Get my next buy alert. I've got some coins cooking up on the radar, either my own or other devs that I'm working with. We got new coins coming out that could hit, you know, 1 million market cap from 10K market cap. Clausy ran from 3K to 50K market cap. Ice Bear ran from 300K to 1.2 million market cap for a 4X. Stallion, I guess, didn't work out so well, but that's fine. There's still going to be good chances here and there. So if it's going to be a 50-50 coin flip with the next play. And I do have some devs that I'm working with that, you know, we might get some new coins launched pretty soon. I'm going to make sure that we get an actual early entry at the launch MC. So yeah, $999. Very good investment for the whole year because the bull run is going to be starting on easy mode in about 6 months. And then there's going to be some mini alt seasons in like 2 to 3 months. So yeah, $999. It's half off what you pay for the normal price. Like, don't do the monthly. Just do the year for one time. Ashjed says, yeah. I mean, it's the truth, man. Like, we come here and we want 100 X's. Like, what else do we want? Tal is simply the best AI coin. I think it is currently the best AI coin. I don't think it'll be the best forever, but it could be. We'll see. There's been a lot of developments with AI agents and shit. It seems like the base chain is going to be a hot chain for AI agent infrastructure. So, you know, it's hard to say whether Tal will be forever the best, but it is currently the best. Yeah, Moltbook's being revived because Meta and Facebook, they bought it today. That's why Moltcoin went up 5x last night, overnight. Make sure you let us know your buys. Thanks. Be good. Yeah, of course. Okay, all right. Gonna wrap it up here. Thank you for watching, and I'll stream again in a few days. And yeah, just hop on the Discord, get on the yearly membership, get the next play. It might be out. My next play might be out tomorrow. We got some plays cooking, and follow me on Twitter for updates. And